Woo! Yeah! Thank you for being in my kitchen. Well, we're always on a mission to find nutrition, baby. Let me put my kitchen kettlebell up and show you what we got going on. Woo! Just flip the steak. One last flip right there for my thin ribeye, baby. We got ribeye rollers. Let me show you what we got going on. All right, here's a high fiber, low carb, whole wheat tortilla, baby. Yeah! And what we're gonna do is cook that or heat that up on an open flame, baby. That's how I do it, just like that, directly on the flame, all right? Now, we also gotta have that greenery, baby. You know I stay with that greenery. Some romaine lettuce, just like this. Woo! All right, and on a cheat day, I'm gonna go ahead and get me some cheese right here, all right? Now here's the catch. I would usually put avocado on it, right? Healthy fat, but since I got so much fat on it, I'm gonna save this for later. That way you can use it on another dish. Woo! Get that nice brown on that tortilla. That's how I get down, all right? And let me just give you a little tip. I don't call it cheat day, baby. There is no cheat day. It's just what you put in your body. I call it beast mode. You feel me? So we about to go beast mode right here on this ribeye roller. Let me show you how we do it. All right, you got tortilla just like that. While it's hot, go ahead and layer some of that cheese on it just like that. Woo! All right, not too much. You know what I'm saying? Everything in moderation. But the magic happens here. This is what we do. We're going to get this steak. Woo! Remember, it's a thin ribeye. It's a thin ribeye, not a rabbi. Ribeye. All right, we're just going to go ahead and put that cheese there, the lettuce, just like that. Woo! And you just roll it up, baby. Get your roll on, just like this, all right? That's what makes it a little different. It's not a burrito. It's a roll, baby, just like that. Best snack you'll ever had. Woo! Have a good one.